My name is Lynne Rowson, and I work for the Domestic and Sexual Violence Services as part of the Department of Family Services. I'm a community outreach specialist, and I'm also part of the crisis line unit with DSVS. I've been with Fairfax County since April of 2008, and I've actually kind of been in the same position that entire time, although the position has definitely evolved. I answer the hotline, the 24-hour hotline. I also train our hotline volunteers and staff and the overnight staff at the Artemis House, which is the domestic violence shelter, to answer the hotline. I coordinate the calendar for hotline coverage and do trainings on domestic violence around the county. Well, my professional background is I graduated from UVA with an American government major, and then I went to work on Capitol Hill for 10 years, and then took time off to raise my kids, and then came back here with no real background at all in social services or social work, and was able to learn on the job. The most rewarding aspect of my work, it's a hard one. I mean, obviously when I'm answering the hotline and I'm able to speak with someone who's been a victim of sexual violence or domestic violence, and I'm able to connect with them and make them feel safe to tell their story, and then to connect them with services, that's incredibly rewarding. But I have to say, I also really enjoy equipping volunteers to do the same kind of work. My decision to work for DFS was actually just kind of part of my decision to work for DSVS. I have come to really appreciate the leadership in the Department of Family Services, and one of the things that definitely stands out for me is I feel like there are so many opportunities for employees to grow and to develop and kind of find their niche.